Hello everyone, welcome back to Agape Love, and today we will learn how to crochet this puff stitch headband. So material you will need today is cotton yarn 50 gram, crochet hook 4.0 mm, scissors, and let's start it. So first, as you already know that crochet hook I'm using is 4.0 mm. So we'll start with the white color yarn, make a slip knot like this. Now insert your hook into the loop and we will work on chain 30. So let's crochet chain 30. Chain 30 is ready. Now we will add 2 more chains, so in total you will have 32 chains. Now we will skip 1, 2, 3 chains and into 4th opening insert your hook, work 1 double crochet. In the next chain again 1 double crochet, and like this we will complete the row with 1 double crochet till the end. So let's finish this. And our row 1 with double crochet in each stitch is ready. And now we will work on the next row. For next row we will add 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and now we will do puff stitch. For puff stitch, skip 1 stitch into next, yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Once again yarn over your hook, pull up a loop, and then 3rd time yarn over your hook into same stitch, pull up a loop. You should have 7 loops on your hook. When you have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all these loops, and then chain 1. So this is our puff stitch. And for the next stitch again yarn over your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and again yarn over your hook and pull up a loop. When you have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all these 7 loops, and then chain 1. And like this we will complete our second row with puff stitch. So let's finish this. Let's complete our last puff stitch, chain 1, and for the next row after chain 1 we will add 2 chains and then turn your work. And now we will work in between these puff stitches. Let's do 1 double crochet in these puff stitches. For double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So like this, complete our row 3rd with double crochet in between these puff stitches. And now let's do our last double crochet and then chain 2. Now where we did chain 3 right here, we will work 1 single crochet right here. Insert your hook, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And after single crochet, now we will work on the strap. So for the strap, let's do 30 chains, and please ignore this factory knot here. Let's complete 30 chains for the strap. And after 30 chains, we will skip 2 chains and into 3rd opening we will work 4 double crochets into the same gap. So let's work on the 4 double crochets. Now after 4 double crochet, work 1 slip stitch into next chain and then chain 1. Cut off the yarn. So our one strap is ready, and this is the end part of the strap, and we will hide the tail later. So one strap is ready. Now let's work on the other strap right here. So where we did the puff stitch, we will insert our hook into the both sides like this. Now pull a loop of the white yarn obviously and secure the end like this, and then complete chain 30. And same process after chain 30, into 3rd chain we will work 4 double crochets. After 4 double crochet, okay, I'm sorry for that hair. After 4 double crochet, 1 slip stitch into the next chain, slip stitch, and then chain 1, pull a loop and then cut off the yarn and hide the tails. So our both straps and headband is ready. Hide all the tails. You can use needle or smaller crochet hook and hide all the tails and your crochet headband is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it was easy to follow, please make sure to subscribe the channel because soon we will post so many hairbands tutorial like this. And till then, see you, bye bye, take care, happy crocheting.